Good morning, guys. Today I came before you with a special session. So, in this session, I am going to take the class on what are the countries passing through the Tropic of Cancer, Equator, Tropic of Capricorn, and what are the states passing through the Tropic of Cancer in India. Okay, so what are the states passing through the uh, Indian Standard Time. So like that, I came with the few concepts, guys. Today we will discuss all those concepts over here along with the conceptual clarity, guys. Okay. So let us start our session with the first topic, that is countries passing through the countries passing through Tropic of Cancer. Tropic of Cancer. Guys, we people are aware of that the region of the earth means if you take the earth shape, so the central line means central latitude is called as the equator, guys. Okay? Equator. And the north one we call it as Tropic of Cancer. And the south of it we call as Tropic of Capricorn. Tropic of Capricorn. So, few countries pass through the Tropic of Cancer, through few pass through the equator, and few pass through the Capricorn. So, now let us go and see what are the countries that will pass through the Tropic of Cancer, equator, and the Capricorn. Guys, clear? So, our is an Indian country which passes to the Tropic of Cancer, guys. Okay? Tropic of Cancer passes. So, India passes to the Tropic of Cancer. Okay? So, we will see what are the countries passing through these three latitudes. Okay? So, first of all, we will see countries passing through the Tropic of Cancer. So, before we see the countries, what are the continents that pass through the Tropic of Cancer? So, Tropic of Cancer will be passes by three countries, guys. Sorry, three continents. So, North America, Africa, Asia. So, what are the countries that pass through the North America and Africa and Asia? So, guys, I am giving in the state of I am giving the names of the countries from west to east, guys, because the UPSC is much interested in asking the questions from west to east, from east to west, and the ascending order, descending order, all those questions, guys. So I am giving the content from the west to east. So in the North America, we have the two countries, guys. That is the Mexico, and the second one is Bahamas. Okay. So the countries passing through the North America is the Mexico and the Bahamas, guys. Okay. So what are the countries passing through the Africa? So now the countries passing through the Africa is, so Western Sahara, Mauritania, Mali, Algeria, Niger, Libya, Egypt. So, what are the countries the Tropic of Cancer passing through in the African continent is the Western Sahara, the Mauritania, the Mali, Algeria, Niger, Libya, and Egypt. Okay. So now we will see the Asia. So countries passing through the Asian continent. So in Asia we have the So the countries passing through the Asian continent, we have the, so means its explanation, guys, like Saudi Arabia, Oman, India, Bangladesh, Myanmar, China and Taiwan. So what are the countries that pass through the Saudi Arabia? Asia. Okay, that is Saudi Arabia. So guys, we have one more country over here, UAE and Oman. Okay, guys, countries passing through the Asia are the Saudi Arabia, UAE, Oman, India, Bangladesh, Myanmar, China and Taiwan, guys. So guys, is it clear? So I will make the short notes, guys. So to remember these countries, so we have only two countries over here. In the North America, we have two countries like the Mexico and Bahamas. Okay, and in Africa we have 7 countries, guys. So the trick is WMMANLE. Guys, these are the only tricks that we can remember, guys. Why? Because there is no conceptual clarity to remember this through concept, guys. So these are the questions which will be asked by the UPSC. So at any cost we need to by heart and we need to remember in this fashion, guys. So WMMANLE. So Western Sahara, the Mauritania, Mali, Algeria, Niger, Libya and Egypt. Okay, so these are the countries that passing through the Tropic of Cancer in Africa. So now how we need to remember the countries in the Asia, guys? So simple. So IBM CT, guys. Okay, so IBM CT. So you can remember this like Sumoto, the IBM company and the CT scanning, guys. Okay, so in such a fashion you can remember, guys. So Saudi Arabia, UAE, Oman, India, Bangladesh, Myanmar, China and Taiwan. So these are the countries from the left to right. Okay, means from the west to the east. Okay, guys, clear? So shall we move to the second latitude, that is equator? Okay. So the equator passes through the 3 continents, guys. So the equator also passes through the 3 continents. So those are the South America, Africa and the Asia. So what are the countries that passes through the South America? So South America we have Colombia, Algeria, Brazil. Okay, and so guys, sorry. So we have Ecuador, Colombia and Brazil. Okay, so countries passing through the South America is Ecuador, Colombia and the Brazil. So now what are the countries that passing through the Africa? So guys, sorry, I need to change the heading, guys. Sorry. Passing through the equator. Okay, So what are the countries in South America passing through the equator is Ecuador, Colombia and Brazil. So in Africa, Gabon, Congo, Democratic Republic of Congo, Democratic Republic of Congo, that is we can call it as Zaire, Uganda, Kenya, Somalia. Okay, so these are the countries which pass through the Africa. So Gabon, Congo, Democratic Republic of Congo, Uganda, Kenya and Somalia. Okay, so what are the countries that pass through the Asia? So in Asia, the countries means the countries or the islands passes through the equator are the Maldives, Indonesia, Kiribati. So these are the countries which pass through the Asia. So in South America, the countries pass through the equator is Ecuador, Colombia and the Brazil. Okay, in Africa, the countries passes through are Gabon, Democratic Republic of Congo, Uganda, Kenya, Somalia. Whereas in Asia, the Maldives, Indonesia and Kiribati. So these are the island guys. So in South America also we have one island guys which passes through Sotome and Principe. So this is also one of the island which pass through the South America. Guys, if we see from the west to the east, like from the left to the right, these are the countries which becomes which we can see on the equator of the latitude, guys, the latitude of the equator. So in South America, Ecuador, Colombia and Brazil. So what is the trick to remember this? ECB. And Sotome and Principe is the island guys, okay? And Africa, GC Dukes. Gabon, Congo, Democratic Republic of Congo, Uganda, Kenya and Somalia. So in Asia, the islands are the Maldives, Indonesia and Kiribati. Guys, clear? So please try to remember in such a fashion only guys. Why? Because UPSC ask the questions in this way only. Okay, from left to right, from right to left. Okay, from north to south and south to north, like that only. So please try to remember in this fashion only. Okay. So now let us move to the Tropic of Capricorn. So what are the countries that pass through the Tropic of Capricorn? Okay. Capricorn. So in Tropic of Capricorn, the countries passes, so the continents passes through are the South America, Africa and the Oceania. Okay, Oceania. So now let us see guys, what are the countries that pass in the South America. So countries passes through the South America. So Chile, Argentina, Paraguay and Brazil. Okay, so Chile, Argentina, Paraguay and Brazil are the countries that pass through the South America. So in Africa, what are the countries that passes through? Namibia, Botswana, Botswana, and some. So Namibia, Botswana, we have the Mozambique, the Madagascar, Namibia, Botswana. So Africa. So we have one more country, guys, that I am not getting. South Africa. Okay. So in Africa we have the Namibia, the Botswana, South Africa, the Mozambique, and the Madagascar. Okay. So the countries in the Oceania. So Australia, Tonga, New Caledonia, Cook Island, French Polynesia. So these are the islands. So islands are the continents, countries that are passing through the Oceania. So what are the countries passing through South America? Chile, Argentina, Peru, and the Brazil. Okay. In Africa, the countries passing through are the Namibia, the Botswana, South Africa, the Mozambique, and the Madagascar. So what are the islands passing through the Oceania and in the Tropic of Capricorn is Australia, the New Caledonia, Tonga, Cook Island, and the French Polynesia. So tricks to remember this: Cap B, Cap B. So Namibia, Botswana, South Africa, and the Mozambique and South Africa. NBS, MM. Okay, and the Oceania and CF. Okay, guys, these are the countries that pass through the Tropic of Capricorn, guys. So we can expect one question from UPSC prelims, guys. Okay, so not only from UPSC and from the other competitions also, we can expect the question from this part, guys. Okay, so shall we move to the next topic? Okay, guys. So next topic I came before you with. So what are the states that passes through the Tropic of Cancer? Guys, one more thing. So Brazil is the country that passes through the equator and the Tropic of Capricorn. Brazil is the country that passes through the equator and the Tropic of Capricorn. And name the continent which passes through the three latitudes, that is Tropic of Cancer, equator, and the Capricorn is Africa. Okay, Africa. So now we will see the states passing through Tropic of Cancer in India. Guys, have you observed or not? So India is the one which passes through the Tropic of Cancer that I have mentioned in the Asia part. Okay, so now let us see what are the states that passes through the Tropic of Cancer in India. So from the left to the right, guys. So Rajasthan. Sorry. So before Rajasthan we have Gujarat, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh. Okay, next Chhattisgarh, next Jharkhand, West Bengal, Tripura, Mizoram. Guys, so how to remember this state? Guys, whenever you are studying the states or any region, you should remember which state is located at which place. At least an hypothetical imagination also you should require, guys. At least, okay, so that you can easily get. So what are the states located at that region? So if you take the Tropic of Tropic of Cancer, guys, is India. Okay, so Tropic of Cancer passes through like this, guys, something. So this is Tripura, guys. This is Mizoram, guys, and this is the Gujarat and Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, CG, Jharkhand, West Bengal. So in such a way you can get the clarity, guys. So what are the states that pass through Tropic of Cancer in India is 8 states, guys. 8. Okay, that is Gujarat, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, West Bengal, Tripura, and Mizoram, guys. So this is the previous year question, guys. Okay, so what are the states that pass through the Tropic of Cancer in India? All these 8 states pass through the Tropic of Cancer in India. Okay, now I'll move to the third topic, guys. Okay. So what do you mean by IST, guys? IST, third topic, IST, Indian Standard Time. So Indian Standard Time is the line which passes through the 82 degrees latitude of the India, guys. So 82 degrees east. So if you draw the 82 degrees east, so this is the line which India passes through. Means why we made this as 80 degrees as the line of Indian Standard Time, guys? Why? Because if you see this part of India and this part of India, this lies between the center, guys. So we have the 67 degrees over here, guys. So 97 degrees over here. So if you take the example of the average of 67 plus 97 by 2, okay, so we get the 82 degrees, guys. Okay, so that's the reason we take 82 degrees as the Indian Standard Time, guys. Okay, okay, like this, guys. Okay, so that's the reason we need to take this as our Indian Standard Time. Okay, clear, guys, clear? So 67 plus 97 by 2, if you take the average, approximately we get 82 degrees, guys. Okay, so that's the reason we need to take this 82 degrees of the Indian Standard Time, so that the time between this side and this side will be managed, guys. So what are the states that passes through the 82 degrees east? So 82 degrees east that state passes through are, first one we have UP, guys. UP at Mirzapur, and second one the Madhya Pradesh, third one Chhattisgarh, fourth one Odisha, and the fifth one Andhra Pradesh, guys. EP. So these are the states that pass through the 82 degrees east of the longitude. Okay, so UP in Mirzapur, MP, Chhattisgarh, Odisha, and the Andhra Pradesh. So our Indian Standard Time IST is equal to UTC plus 5 hours 30 minutes, guys. Okay, what is UTC? Universal Time Coordinated. So it is also known as Greenwich Mean Time. Okay, Greenwich Mean Time, guys. Okay, from Greenwich Mean Time we take the 5 hours 30 minutes, guys. Okay, clear? So guys, we will take the entire this topic this about the timing and all this in the different session, guys. So in simple, IST passes through the UP, MP, Chhattisgarh, Odisha, and the Andhra Pradesh, guys. Okay, clear? So shall we move to the next topic? Okay. So next topic is inner line permit, guys. What do you mean by inner line permit? Inner line permit. Okay. This is topic number 4. Inner line permit. Inner line permit. So what do you mean by inner line permit? Inner line permit is the travel document. What do you mean? Is a travel document issued by the concerned state to allow the citizens to allow the Indian citizens to enter into the those state, guys. Okay, I repeat, guys. I repeat. What do you mean by inner line permit? Inner line permit is a travel document issued by the concerned state to allow the inward movement of the Indian citizens into that protected area. Okay, so guys, clear? What do you mean by inner line permit? It is the travel document issued by the concerned state governments to allow the inward of the Indian citizens, okay, for the Indian citizens at the protected areas, guys. So the inner line permit for the many reasons, for tourism, for permanently staying at that place, or for the employment, guys. So right now, what are the states that we are having as inner line permit? We have the Mizoram, Manipur, Nagaland, Arunachal Pradesh. So these are the states that are having the inner line permit. Guys, this concept is not new, guys. This concept is during the British times. Okay, they have made this for their commercial purposes, guys. So because of the international border that exists, the northeastern region, they made that as inner line permit. So from those time onwards, we are carrying it, guys. Okay, so these are the states which are having the inner line permit. If any Indian citizen wants to enter into the state, that concerned person should have the permission from the concerned state authorities for their employment or for the staying or for the tourism, guys. Okay, this is the inner line permit concept, guys. So now I will move for the one more topic, that is bicameralism. So what do you mean by bicameralism, guys? Bicameralism is nothing but two houses, means two. Bi means two houses. So if we see the Constitution of India, Article 79 clearly mentioned that Article 17, there shall be an president. So the parliament consists of a president and the two houses, that is the Lok Sabha and the Rajya Sabha. President plus Lok Sabha plus Rajya Sabha at the union level. So it is mandatory, guys. So the Rajya Sabha here is the mandatory. So Article 79 itself explains President, Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. So whereas for the state through Article 169, they didn't mention the second house as the mandatory. It is the choice of the state government. So in Article 169, it is governor plus assembly plus council. It's choice. It's not mandatory, it's choice. So some states have the assembly, some states are not having the assembly, guys. So its process, its creation, abolition will be discussed in some other class. So what are the states that will be having the councils, guys? Okay, legislative council. So state having legislative councils. Okay, we have Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, okay, Maharashtra, Karnataka, okay, UP, Bihar. Okay, so what are the states that having the legislative council is Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, the Maharashtra, Karnataka, UP and the Bihar, guys. So 6. So before August 2019, the Jammu Kashmir is also having the bicameral, guys. So due to its classification as the union territory, so its bicameralism have been removed. So now the Jammu Kashmir is the union territory with the Ladakh and the Jammu and Kashmir, guys, and the Jammu and Kashmir have the assembly, guys. Okay, so now let us see the what are the union territories that is having the assemblies. Okay, guys, this is bicameralism, Article 17. At the union we have the president, Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. Here the Rajya Sabha is mandatory, that is mentioned in the constitution itself, whereas in the article 1 section the governor, assembly and the council is twice, guys. So depending upon the state assembly, if they want to create the bicameralism, they will pass the resolution in the house. So the resolution should be passed by the absolute majority and the special majority, guys. So all those things we will discuss in the polity class, guys. Okay, so after they pass by special majority and absolute majority, that will be sent to the parliament. So parliament with a simple majority pass the resolution, guys. So with that will be sent to the president, guys. Guys, one important thing I want to discuss here. So bicameralism is the one which will change the means there will be some change in the constitution, guys, but it does not require the constitutional amendment, guys. Okay, so there are the few things which will be changed in the constitution such that those does not require the constitutional amendment. So example is bicameralism, means if we want to create or abolish the legislative council, we should not require the constitutional amendment, guys. So with this simple process we can do it in this way, how I explained right now. Okay, guys, in detail we will explain in the bicameralism part of the polity, guys. Okay, now last topic, guys, but not least. So the last topic I want to discuss is, so state the union territories having assembly. So what are the union territories that is having assembly, guys? So we have Puducherry, Delhi and Jammu and Kashmir, guys. So Jammu and Kashmir. So Jammu Kashmir is the union territory that was established in the August 2019, but this is having the legislative assembly, guys. Okay, union territory is having legislative assembly, Puducherry, Delhi and the Jammu and Kashmir. Guys, with this I want to end the session right now. So I will come up with the topics like that in the coming days, guys. So thank you one and all.